Hello, Wallpaperland family. Today, we're exploring some fantastic nursery wallpaper ideas that are perfect for stimulating your baby's imagination. A beautifully decorated nursery not only creates a cozy and inviting space but also plays a crucial role in your baby's development. Let's dive into these inspiring ideas. 1. Whimsical forest theme. First up, a whimsical forest theme. Think lush greenery and magical trees. This theme brings the beauty of nature indoors and creates a serene yet playful environment. 2. Outer space adventure. Next, take your baby on an outer space adventure. Wallpapers featuring stars, planets, and astronauts can ignite their imagination and introduce them to the wonders of the universe. 3. Under the sea. Dive into an under-the-sea theme. Wallpapers with aquatic creatures, coral reefs, and gentle waves create a calming and visually stimulating environment. 4. Storybook characters. Bring beloved storybook characters to life on your nursery walls. Wallpapers featuring classic fairy tales or favorite book characters can make story time even more magical. 5. Geometric patterns. For a modern twist, consider geometric patterns. Bold shapes and vibrant colors can stimulate visual development and create a contemporary look. 6. Bold and bright. For a fun and energetic vibe, go bold and bright. Vibrant colors and playful patterns can stimulate your baby's visual senses and create a joyful environment. 7. Vintage charm. Add a touch of vintage charm to the nursery. Vintage-inspired wallpapers with delicate florals, soft pastels, and classic motifs create a timeless and elegant atmosphere. There you have it, 8 nursery wallpaper ideas to stimulate your baby's imagination and create a beautiful, inspiring space. Remember, the right wallpaper can transform a room and make it a magical place for your baby to grow and explore. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor inspiration from Wallpaperland. Until next time, happy decorating!